the lights have just been turned on, the normal light bulbs, but there's two of them. And this is Jehovah God communicating with us. This is in the bedroom. This is where we sleep. How are we supposed to sleep tonight if Jehovah's entered the room like this? Let me see if it'll do it. If I turn it off, that's the ensuite. Ready? Wow. Whoa! Whoa, he's doing it again. This is Jehovah God. This is communication from Jehovah. This can only be Joe. Oh my God. Have you ever seen anything like this? Jehovah is in the room. See if it's still doing it. Yes? That's Jehovah God communicating with us through the lights. Now I've seen lights, street lights, shop lights, all kinds of lights malfunctioning for 5 years. See it all the time, regular. Every single day I see 5 or 6 people go through life, never seeing even one. And I see 5 or 6 a day, all in completely unconnected appliances. And now it's happening in the bedroom.